Hey guys, I hope y'all have been doing really well. I'm finally back. I'm sorry I've been missing for a while, and this is my first video out in a few months, so I'm really glad to be back. I am back for good, excited to be putting out videos out to you guys more efficiently now, and I have a lot of things that kind of went on in my life that I needed a break, but I'm excited to share with you guys what I have learned and grown from all this, and that I'm going to be sharing with you guys, and you'll know what to expect on this channel and my online store. Yeah, let me just begin by telling you guys I'm going to go back to about June of this year. So sometime in June, my dog Lotus, which is she's like my child. So for you guys who have pets would understand, or anyone who has someone they love, she's basically that girl for me. And so she had a kidney failure in June. We went to the hospital. All the specialists, the vets, and everyone we saw said there was nothing they could do, and she's suffering. They really suggested euthanasia because it's either that or you just let her slowly, let her health decline, and it's not going to get that much better from not eating and being very lethargic. So that was very devastating. I decided that we go home and maybe set up a date to set her free. But there was something deep inside me, and now I know that it's actually intuition. It's something called intuition. Something about it, just my gut feeling felt like, of course I was devastated, and I knew, and I was trying to prepare myself mentally, knowing I have not tried everything yet, and I want to try these stuff, of course with my mind being like, okay, let's try to get ready in case this stuff doesn't work. You have to be ready to set her free. I don't want her to suffer, but as long as she's willing to try and she's living a quality of life, I'll be happy, and I want to keep supporting her. So basically, I knew something about it, just that I have not tried everything with her. I felt like, what about these greens that I grow at home? What about these greens, or Saba snake grass that's good for the kidneys? I thought, what about this other herb that's also good for the kidneys? And or Chinese herbs, traditional Chinese medicine, improving her blood circulation to push more blood through the kidneys. All this information I have in my head, I thought, we haven't tried this yet, right? We've only tried we only got, what do you call it? Advice from conventional vets. But what about these things that I've been learning about? So that's what I did. Got home, first thing I did was to make her this green smoothie, and I fed it to her with the syringe, and then slowly she started to get more energy. She was back up walking. She loved food so much. She had great appetite. She was back pretty soon. She was back up walking and kind of doing some light jogging with me. She was kind of on her regular schedule again, with the exception that I had to always tend to her, of course. If you guys are familiar with people with a weak kidney, they need to use the bathroom quite frequently. So for her, it was every 2 to 3 hours I had to let her out throughout the day. So it was, it was a lot of love, but it was a lot of hard work at the same time. Lacked a lot of rest, a lot of sleep, but I gained so much in this experience with love and my spiritual path and the growth of knowledge and nutrition. And so basically, through the support of nutrition, we were able to give these 5 extra special months for us, and it was really special because she was not suffering at this time. She had a quality life. She loved her food, and she loved her walks and things, which we did all of that. She wagged her tail every single day. So yeah, for those of you who think, 5 months may not seem like a lot, but it is really actually quite a bit, because it's, especially coming from vets who think there's nothing they could do. So this was really, she's our miracle girl. Everyone calls her the miracle girl. And I'm just really grateful for everything, and especially for one of the wonderful integrative vets that we finally came across. After all these vets have told me that there was nothing they could do for us, this vet was willing to step in and help us. He said as long as Lotus is willing to try, he's willing to try to help us too. So I was so blown away and so touched when he said that. And I was so blown away when he said throughout his 34 years of practice, he's never seen someone who's just like knew what to do, like exactly what to do, what to give her to eat. And he really believes that nutrition was a huge factor in the green smoothies, and you know, the plants that I'm growing, like, has really been helping her through this process. And it's just her determination to be in her body, her love, and her happy spirit, like all of that, and especially with nutrition, really had played a huge role in giving this extra time. So I was so blown away when he said that. That was so shocking and flattering, but it was like disbelief for me. 5 months, it's a lot for our dogs, because like usually 1 year for us equals to like 7 years for them. That's the average, but then it could also equal to like 8 or 9 years depending on the breed and like the size dog. And then if their health is not as, if they don't have that good of health, then they would age even more. In 1 year for us would equal more years for them. So for 5 extra months was a long time for them. And there's something I've been meaning to start off as another channel, another YouTube channel for dogs. I love all animals, but I only have experience with dogs. So I wanted to share my experience, our journey, and continuing to share all these things with you guys. So for those of you who have dogs, or love animals, or know someone with a dog, I'd love for you to go check out. I would leave the link down below once I have that channel set up and ready. I'd love for you to go check it out and subscribe to it. It's I don't know if there's other dog channels out there that would share things about like nutrition from like mind, body, and spirits, but this is going to be a full package of my experience I'm going to be sharing with you guys. And this isn't the end for us, because I have actually picked up being on this spiritual path and knowing that there is more to this universe and death is not the end. So she's going to be supporting me in spirit to go through and continue on this journey, and my journey of like my dreams of going out and like reaching, you know, all you lovely beings out there, people, animals. Like, I want to spread the word of health and joy, you know. So she's going to be supporting me in spirit that way. And another thing is, we moved. And there's going to be some changes in the upcoming episodes. I did film quite a lot of content at the old place that I did not get to edit and share with you guys. So you're going to be seeing kind of back and forth videos between like from the old place and my current place with it's going to be focused on more small space gardening. And what else? Yeah, so it's going to be kind of back and forth like that, but I will continue sharing videos and what's going on and what's growing in the garden, and I'll be offering more varieties of plants on my shop. I am propagating them right now. They'll be ready to go full bloom in spring. Ashitaba and Genera procumbens are right now, you know, still available on my website. If you're interested, I'll leave the link down below for you guys also to go check out. Would only be shipping to, you know, I always check the weather before shipping, making sure that the plants will get there safely. And but that's pretty much it. And oh, if you guys are interested in knowing the details of what I did to help Lotus through this time, the like nutritional support, I'll do a more detailed video for you guys about that. And that is about it. I think that's all the updates I have for you guys for now. I'm really happy and glad to be back seeing you guys, and I love to read your comments down below. Please comment and talk to me. I would respond back to you guys as soon as possible. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I'm just glad to be back to share my life with you guys again. I'm sorry I've been missing. I really needed a break with all that's happened. It's basically happened like right after the Heirloom Expo that I went on, after I went back from there, after I returned from the expo, and I gave like quite a lot of talks this time. And I was so excited to share all this stuff with you guys, and then all these things like happened one after another in my life. So anyway, I'm glad to be back, and I want to wish you guys a very healthy, happy, warm, loving holiday season. Happy Christmas. I'm sorry if I missed you guys who celebrate Hanukkah. I hope you guys had a wonderful Hanukkah. And a Happy New Year. I'll see you guys right back here very soon in the next video, and it's going to be coming up right pretty soon. January's coming our way, so I'm looking forward to the new year. I hope you guys are well. I hope you guys are looking forward to the new year as well. Any of you guys who've had a really tough year for whatever your situation is, I'm sending so much love and light to you guys, and the new year is coming. Just concentrate on the positives, and you know, attract positivity around you. So I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video very soon. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't, because I've got so much content I'm excited to share with you guys. So I'll see you guys very soon in the next video. Sending you love and light, you guys. Bye.